It's in my endeavor to screen print my own shirts. We got a little Speedball screen printing kit from Hobby Lobby. We rolled the photo emulsifier on there, and now we're letting it cure, which will take 4 minutes, and then we'll know whether or not we have a good screen, or if we'll have to re-roll it with photo emulsifier and try another curing time. We shall see. Alright, just got done rinsing out the screens. You can kind of see our pattern there, so we're going to try to screen print this here in a second after it dries out all the water. And here we have the screen laid out on the shirt. About to throw some ink on here. So our first attempt didn't come out that great. Second attempt, pretty good, but a little dark. See if we can get somewhere in between with this third go around. So all in all, I need to buy some more ink, but man, those came out pretty damn good. That's awesome.